Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking snow peas 101, how to use them, suggested flavor combinations. Well, we know that snow peas are used in a lot of Asian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, and even Thai cuisine as well. So if you have dishes like that that you would prefer to prepare, snow peas would go very well in them. Also, they go well in salads and slaws and soups and stir fries. Specific flavor combinations are interesting. I've got some here, and some of them you'll recognize as being like Asian cuisine. Snow peas go well with Asian noodles, lime, and peanut sauce. They go well with Asian noodles and mirin, and mirin is a type of Japanese rice wine. They go well with bell peppers, curry powder, and scallions plus tofu. And carrots and ginger. Snow peas with carrots and ginger sounds very good. How about snow peas with carrots, honey, and orange? Woo, that sounds good to me. Snow peas with chilies, ginger, and lemongrass. And if you can't get a hold of lemongrass, just drizzle some fresh lemon juice over them and you've got it. How about snow peas with coconut milk, garlic, and lime? Now that's a really interesting combination to me. How about snow peas with garlic and ginger? Snow peas with garlic, peanut oil, and pepper. And snow peas with ginger and scallions. All of those would be worth giving it a try. Let me know what your favorite way is to enjoy snow peas down there in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye now.